What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we're going to be cleaning up this boat that's been sitting for 30 years. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Let's get to it. So it's a smaller sailboat. It's only 13 feet. It's called a Cyclone, made by this company Catalina. I think they're out of San Diego, California. But this is really nasty. It's got all kinds of rat crap in it. There's a rat's nest in it. It's been sitting for almost 30 years. As you can see, it hasn't been in the water since 92. So it's almost 30 years. But I'm going to clean it up and get it going, and I'll probably sell it. It needs new rims and tires. Well, actually just tires, but they're cheaper to buy the rims and the tires together, oddly. So I ordered a couple of those for the trailer. Alright, let's get to cleaning. I'm probably going to sweep out all this nastiness so I don't spray it around with the pressure washer. Alright, phase 2, power washing. Soap. Alright, the pressure washing is all done and it looks a heck of a lot better than it did. Check out the interior. Got all that muck out. God, those things make a mess though. And actually, here's the little placard in the back. So it's a Capri, that must be the brand. Capri sailboats, C13, model number C13, and it says it's out of, actually it's out of Woodland Hills. I was wrong, not San Diego. Woodland Hills. So it's a California boat though. It's fully fiberglass. The whole construction is all fiberglass. Really good condition. I think it was mostly covered, even though it was in storage outside for all those years. The wood cleaned up. It just has the wood hatch right here. I haven't opened this yet. Let's see what's in here. Probably life jackets or something. There we go. So it looks like just more parts for the boat. We've got a couple oars in case you get stranded. I don't know what these poles are for. So now I'm going to need to hand wash it with soap and a scrubber, and then I can wax it. Alright, I think I got it finally. Now to really make this thing shine, we're going to be using some of this Colonite number 845. This is a great wax. I use this for boats, cars, you can use it for RVs even. Alright guys, so here is the boat all done up, the trailer finished, I got the wheels on, got it all painted, fixed that bend in the trailer tongue. I think it turned out pretty nice. Alright guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, subscribe and click the notification bell if you could, please. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.